Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kala Tallin. So today in this video we are making DIY water candle. For water candle making we want marble, glitter, you can use candlewicks or cottonwick, sellotape and one plastic sheet, water and vegetable oil, glass bowl and glasses. Here I am taking plastic sheet and cutting this plastic sheet into a circle. Make sure circle is smaller than the circumference of the glass and bowl. Here I am creating a hole at the center of the plastic sheet so you can easily stuck candlewick or cotton wick. And fixing the another end of the cotton with the sellotape. Make sure to cut out excess candlewick. Step 1. Pour water into the glass. Here I am taking 3 glasses. Do not fill glass completely with water. After that, here I am adding marbles into one glass, adding food color. Here I am taking green and orange food color. You can use any color which were available. Go ahead and add oil. You can use lamp oil, vegetable oil. Make sure you add enough oil for the candle to burn. Slowly and carefully place the candle wick into the glass. Before you light the candle, make sure that wick has absorbed the enough oil to start the burn. Now I am taking bowls and filling this with water. Make sure oil should completely cover the surface of the water. Here I am adding glitter. After adding glitters, here I am adding vegetable oil. Placing the candle wick into it. Before you light the candle, make sure that wick has absorbed the enough oil to start the burn. Let me know the comment below which your favorite candle. If you like this DIY, give this video a big thumbs up, and you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to press a bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.